Chapter 13, Methods of Preserving Food. Methods of preserving food help to keep food fresh and safe for a longer time. Techniques like drying, salting, boiling, refrigerating, and using sugar or vinegar stop the growth of germs. These methods prevent spoilage and reduce food wastage. Today, we are going to learn something very useful: how we can keep our food safe and fresh for a long time. This is called food preservation. Let me ask you, what happens when you leave food out for too long? Yes, it starts to smell bad, taste strange, and sometimes you even see fungus or mold. That means the food is spoiled. Why does food spoil? Because of tiny germs called microorganisms like bacteria and fungi. They grow in warm, moist conditions and make food unsafe to eat. But don't worry, people have found many clever ways to stop food from getting spoiled. These are called methods of food preservation. Traditional methods of preserving food. Let's first look at how people in the olden days preserved food even before there were fridges. Drying. This is one of the oldest methods. People dry food items like fruits, vegetables, fish, and chilies in the sun. When food becomes dry, germs cannot grow on it easily. Boiling. We boil milk, right? Why? Because boiling kills germs. It keeps the milk safe to drink for longer. Cooling or refrigerating. When food is kept in a cool place like a fridge, it does not spoil quickly. Cold temperature slows down the growth of germs. Pickling with oil and vinegar. Oil and vinegar form a layer over the food, stopping germs from reaching it. That is why pickles stay good for months. Modern methods of preserving food. Now let's see how we preserve food using modern technology. Canning and bottling. Food is cooked and sealed in tins or bottles. This keeps out air and germs. Vacuum packaging. Air is removed from the packet before sealing it. Without air, germs cannot grow. Using preservatives. These are special chemicals added to food to make them last longer. For example, fruit juice bottles often have preservatives. Why is food preservation important? It stops wastage of food. It helps us store food for long trips. We can eat seasonal fruits even when they are not in season. It helps in sending food to far away places. What have we learned? Food spoils because of microorganisms. There are many traditional and modern methods to preserve food. These methods keep food safe and healthy for future use.